This is the emergency alert system. This is a tornado emergency for the following counties: Loran County, Winfield County, Wilmer County, and Greer County. A confirmed, large, and extremely dangerous tornado has been observed on radar and by emergency personnel. This tornado is exhibiting wind velocities beyond established measurement thresholds. This event has been assigned a provisional classification for internal coordination purposes. If you are underground, remain underground. If you are above ground, seek the lowest level possible. If no shelter is available, remain where you are. There is no safe outdoor location. This tornado has maintained intensity longer than projected. Projected dissipation is no longer available. This alert will remain active until the event concludes. Debris signatures indicate total structural failure. Tornado exceeds Fuji's scale. This event bypasses the scientific limits.